Proofpoint's Insider Threat Management protects your organization from data loss and brand damage driven by malicious, negligent, or compromised authorized users. With a true people-centric approach, Proofpoint helps you answer what happened and who did it with any user-driven alert or incident. Let's walk through the solution by looking at a few threat scenarios. Meet Kay Donovan. She's a salesperson who gave notice to leave the company. Her recent online behavior has set off a few security alerts that would warrant security operations review. She moved seemingly innocuous files to an unapproved USB stick and sent them to her personal email account. While not an uncommon activity, those files originally came from the corporate CRM system. We also see that she browsed job sites. We can learn more about her actions by digging into her activity timeline, which shows not only those alerts, but all activities before and after the specific alert. The first thing you will notice is screenshot evidence for each of these activities. In a full-blown investigation, these screenshots can be very defensible evidence in legal proceedings. In this one simple-to-understand timeline, you see that the user browsed job search sites, moved files from the CRM system, and renamed them to something innocuous, and then exfiltrated through 2 email and USB devices. This is easy to understand and easy to share with HR, legal, IT, and cybersecurity as a PDF export. In this next example, let us review the proactive threat hunting capabilities of the platform. Analysts leverage pre-built filters to identify common risky behaviors such as web uploads to unknown applications, unapproved USB usage, unauthorized application access. Taking the Kay Donovan scenario again, if accessing a personal Gmail account for corporate use is frowned upon, you can quickly search who else is accessing their personal Gmail across the organization. In this environment, you will see another user, Bob S., emailing items to their personal Gmail account. Often, there is no malicious intent. Still, these insights contextualize the activity across the organization. For more details in this case, you can learn what file types are being moved, what endpoints and operating systems are being used, and the destination of data movement. Security teams leverage a pre-built alert library. They cover data exfiltration, accidental data movement, privilege abuse, application and server misuse, unauthorized endpoint activity, and anomalous system access. Our alerts are built as if-then statements that are easy to maintain and understand. That is how you can tune a generic alert around data exfiltration and specifically focus on uploads to Gmail. By bringing a people-centric approach with Proofpoint's Insider Threat Management, you can protect your organization from insider threats, accelerate incident response, and optimize your security resources from day one. To learn more, visit us at observeit.com.